morning.
Hello, good morning, good morning. Today we got the delivery of the new Swift 2018 VDI automatic AMT. Congrats to Sachin Bhai.
Thank you.
He was the first guy to get a red Swift VDI. This is the first VDI red color because I'll let you know later. We are getting a little bit of modifications done today. As of now, we have done a little bit of 16-inch of wheels and broader tires of 205 Yokohama tires. Later on, we are planning to get some modern upgradations. Let's see what Thaman has got for us, the guy who is going to set it up for today. The stock VDI comes with normal AC controls and steering control wheels with a little bit of here and there of accents of silver finishings. Not much of flashy thing, but still does a good job of taking wear on. Gives a good mileage of around 2022, which is claimed by the company. There is no fog lamp. There is no bi-xenon projectors. Just there's no mag wheel also. Just the disc and 14-inch wheels it comes with. So we have decided to go it with little more of upgrade. So we will have fun in day-to-day life. So we are finally here to Mr. Tamanna's place to get the work done. The vehicle is parked and the boys are already on it. They are going to get the work done soon. So we are going to get fog lamps replaced. So there is no fog lamps in this. We are going to get DRLs. The front grille is going to be changed. Then later on, we are getting the new seat covers. Little bit of upgraded version for us, so there is a little bit of comfort when we are going around. As of now, there is a fabric upholstery. Later on, we are upgrading the system. The system is very basic, which I have got from the company. And behind the mag wheels is already been set, so you can see the mag wheels. It's come out really good, and it's really going with the color of the car, which is red. And in the back we are going to get the red diffuser kit and a little bit of accents here and there. So let's see how it is done. The work is getting on. So this is our guy, Mr. Thaman Shetty, and he is going to get the work done today. He has a small team over here. You are very efficient and very
small team.
But still he gets the work done. Don't go by his words. It's really good. You do have to visit his shop. He has a lot of modifications, lot of range of mag wheels, whatever you need in the market, he has it. So do contact. We will share the number in the end of this video. Now we are done with the new Swift 2018 with a little bit of accessories and little bit of cosmetic changes, so we will know how it's going to rock the road. So here it is, the new Swift 2018 after a little bit of cosmetic changes. Basically the vehicle is VDI, which is with the AMT technology. So we have upgraded it to the projector headlamps and front grille the DRLs, the fog lamps, tire size has been upgraded from basically which comes out from the showroom with 165 80/14 to 205 50/16. So the look of the vehicle has been changed. You can see the height has been changed and a little bit of broader and more appealing on the roads. So behind we have got a little bit of spoiler which does the job, and there is no problem with it. It's done easily and fixed very fast. And behind we have the diffuser kit with the new frame boards for the number plates, and interior changes I'll let you know soon. So let's check it out.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
We have done a little bit of Napa leather for the seat covers and the back seat covers. So originally the vehicle comes with the basic system. So now we have upgraded it to the Pioneer system, which comes with the CarPlay, which is a little bit helpful for long drive also, because comes with the navigation system once it is connected with the phone. So the cool feature about this system is it can open up the all-way. So you can insert the CDs, DVDs, and you can watch videos, photos, and the other interior things are done is the mat, which is very helpful in the rainy season. We are done with a little bit of matting inside for the floor mattings, so there will be no mud or any stains inside that. In between there is nothing which is available from the company, so we have fixed a little bit of armrest, which is very helpful for the long drive and very comfortable to sit. As it's an AMT, you can relax and go for a long drives. So the vehicle we had bought was the new Swift Vxi AMT. Why we didn't opt for the ZDI AMT? Because it was very pricier than the basic Vxi AMT. The Vxi AMT comes for 740 and the ZDI AMT comes for 889. So for 1 lakh rupees we have made much more of cosmetic changes, the way we preferred, the way we wanted. So you can see the changes and be the judge of it. So please do follow us in YouTube and Instagram. You can see the taglines. Do comment and share this video and let me know how it went through.
Yes, bro, tell me.
Where are you?
Office, bro, tell me. I will go again outside.
If you go again, right, you will get even more worse disease now. Now we have got only cold, right? Huh?
Yeah, dude, bad. Yesterday it was bad. Now I'm a little bit better, but not full headache and also.
Until you take me somewhere out, right, to Thailand or Bangkok, then you will be fine, or else you won't be, see.
But still, bro, I have to improve, right? If I can't go outside only, then what's the point? You should let me know.
No, you should give me.
I should get.
I should forgive you, then you will be fine, or else you won't be fine now.
I got something to you to forgive me. I got something.
What is that?
Something to eat, bro. Eat.
कोई शायद हमेशा आता होगा. कैन भी वही है, ट्यूबर की है. आए ना, उसका नाम क्या है? कोपला. अच्छा तुम बोले? मूल भर लिया है आरेगा. थोड़ा इंटरनेट तो थोड़ा अच्छा है. आपका? हाँ. वो भी अच्छा है. दिया आप? सचिन भाई? वो ऑर्डर किया. हाँ बताओ. बहुत अच्छा है.